Okay, so in last lesson what we did is we looked at clicking on a sprite to make them do something. Now today what we're going to do is we're going to do something a little bit different, and we're going to make all of our sprites start on this click up here. So when we click the green flag, everything's going to start and we won't have any user interaction. But what we're looking at now is we're looking at pausing our sprites and waiting for a specific thing in the music to start. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to use the Harlem shake. We've got two different types of sprites. We have this guy over here. So if we double click on here, you can see over here, these are his bits of code over here. We also have all of these cats here, and they're going to be our second dancers. And if you look there, we can see this is slightly different. So let's go through right from the start how this program works. Now, at the very beginning, as we see over here, when the flag is clicked, forever, so we're going to repeat this forever, we're going to wait a quarter of a second, and then we're going to move on to the next costume. Now I'm going to explain costumes in just a second. The other thing it's going to do, at the same time, when the flag is clicked, we're going to play a sound. Now I set this to 10% so that I don't overload you with sound. You may want to have that at 100%. It very, very much depends on how loud your song is. Okay, so, and then we're going to play our song. Now I've uploaded that song by going up here into sounds. Now sounds, if you upload a sound from a file, you can then upload the song that you want to dance to. Now the Harlem Shake one is going to be available to you on the file, so if you look at the PowerPoint in just a second, I'll show you where that is. Okay, so if we also then go back to costumes, in order to make our cat dance, he needs to have different costumes, so it's a little bit like using a flip book. We're going to start him on this one, and then what we do is we use this, again, upload costume from file, so instead of upload sprite from file, we upload a costume. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change the sprite to look like this one, and then he's going to do this one, and then down here, and he's going to keep going for all of these 4 costumes every 0.25 seconds. So within a second he's going to have created all of these costumes, and then we'll repeat. So we loop back to this one and he's going to start dancing again. Okay, so that's 2 things he's going to do. At the very beginning, he's going to keep switching his costume so he looks like he's dancing, and then he's also going to play our song. Okay, so what happens with the other ones? Let's have a look. So these ones, we don't want them to start dancing straight away. What we want them to do is we want them to wait for 15 seconds. Now 15 seconds, I've had a look at the music, and that's pretty much about where the second part of the song starts. So they're going to pause for 15 seconds, they're not going to do anything at all. And then they're going to use a loop, so again, forever, they're just going to keep then changing their costumes. So let's have a look at this costume here. Okay, so this guy has got, again, he's got 4 costumes. He's going to start over here. He's going to stand up, and he's going to go over there. Now, because I want him to then stand up between the 2, I've then imported that costume again. So he will stand up before he comes back up here to turn left. Okay, so let's have a look at these 2 types of scripts running together. So we've got the wait script, and we've also got the just go forever. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Okay, so what we might want to do is we may want to add in a new kitten. So let's have a look and see if we can do that. So we're going to upload a sprite from a file. Okay, we're going to select this cat here. Now he's going to go left, he's going to sit down, and then he's going to go right. Okay, so let's just import one image to start off with. So there's our sprite. He's a little bit big, so let's make him a bit smaller. There we go. And we'll pop him down here. Now he needs some costumes, so we're going to upload our costumes from file. There's him sitting down. You can see, there you go, he sat down. We want him to turn the other way. Okay, and we also want him to sit down in the middle, so I'm going to put another one of those sit down cats as well. So once that's uploaded, there you go, we've got our 4 costumes, so we know how he's going to dance. We don't need any sounds for him, but we do need a script, otherwise he's not going to do anything. So let's have another look at this one here. So when the flag is clicked, wait 15 seconds, then loop forever, wait 0.25 and then go to next costume. Okay, so let's click on him and go back to his script. So when the flag is clicked, okay, the next one was to wait. So let's bring a wait over here, wait 15 seconds. Okay, that's fine. Then repeat forever. And we wanted to wait again, didn't we? We wanted to wait for 0.25, but in fact let's make him wait for 0.2 so they're not completely in time. And then in looks, we just switch to next costume. Okay, and that's it. So we now have a dancing cat that comes in 15 seconds in. So let's have a look at the program in its completion.
Harlem
Now what you can see is I didn't actually click the stop over here. Now the way that I've done that is on the stage I have a final piece of script, and what that is I have when the green flag is clicked, I wait for 28 seconds, which is the length of my song, and then I bring in a stop all, and stop all will stop on the music and it will stop all of the scripts. Okay, now it's over to you. Go and design your own.